Maria, a government employee, wants to run for a local government position while still holding her civic service post. According to the Constitution, which of the following is correct? Okay? Is it letter A, she can run while retaining her position? Is it letter B, she must resign to take a leave of absence before running? Is it letter C, she can run only with written permission from her superior? Or is it letter D, she is automatically disqualified? Kung ikaw po ay empleyado ng gobyerno, tapos tumakbo ka sa isang particular na government position. So, ano dito ang dapat mong gawin according sa Constitution or it will take effect? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay? Ang answer dito is letter B. Now, the thing is this, letter B, she must resign or take a leave of absence before running. Now, she doesn't really need to resign, but according to the Constitution, she is automatically resigned to the position. Pero, hindi during the filing of the COC or yung uh, pagpa-file mo na ikaw ay tatakbo sa isang posisyon. Ito po ay magte-take effect kapag nag-umpisa na po yung campaign period. Okay? So, mare-resign siya sa position niya pag nag-start na yung campaign period. Hindi during the time na siya ay nag-file ng Certificate of Candidacy or COC. Ano po? Another is they could take a leave of absence, okay, before the uh, campaign period. However, they will be automatically resigned from their position automatically kapag sila po ay pumasok or kapag pumasok na yung campaign period. Okay?